A while ago, I made a video about my door block, and someone asked me in the comments, how do you use door block? So, this is how you use it and what's it for. So, once you have a door, mark up for your hinges where you want to plane the edge of the door. You have a door block with a slot and a sliding wedge. So, you put the door block down, you grab the door, set the door into the slot, and it's wobbly. Put that wedge in, tap with the hammer, and that's now solid. Look, you can do all the work you need with a chisel, with router, screwing the hinges on, everything. Planing the edge of the door, everything you have to do, you can do it nice and safe. That door is fixed there. So I'm just cleaning up these hinge slots. I'm using a little router. And as you can see, door block is really handy device. You can walk off, you can come back to it, unpack the hinge, put the hinge in, and doors just sit there in the door block. And that's basically what a door block is for. It's also handy if you're making some, say like wardrobes with melamine or something, or veneered ply, veneered MDF. And you need to apply iron-on edging if you're doing kitchen and the panel, you need to apply edging on. It's handy because you can use a door block on the bench to hold your piece whilst you're applying edging. And this is it. I don't think I would even be able to fit the door without a door block. Brilliant thing. Just cut it out of you can cut it out of 4x2. I used on this one 4x4, and this one is about 15 years old, 10-15 years old. I look after it. hinges are on, little tap, wedge is removed, and door comes off. So the door block itself is just a piece of 4x4. I cut the wedge out of other piece of wood, then I offer it on and I mark up that angle. Then I just plunge my saw in on that angle and then one on 90 degrees and few more runs in between, chisel it out. That excess goes about halfway through, and that's where our door sits, and then just wedges it in. So if you have a narrower door, wedge goes in further. If you go thicker door, wedge sticks out a bit more. It's just that. And I just put 2 little blocks of wood on either side just to keep it more balanced. For storage, got these screws here. I literally screw on to underside my wedge so I don't lose the wedge. And there you go. Simple tool, works well, very handy. You could literally make one of them for each job out of scrap piece of 4x2, or just make a decent one and look after it.